How to make carousel in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the search bar and then search for Instagram post. So once you do that, just click search for Instagram post right there. And then you will see a bunch of template that you can choose right here. Now, if you want to create your own, you can just click this create blank right here. So that's what we're going to do right here. So once you click that, you will be redirected into this page. Now, what we're going to do next is to, of course, create a bunch of photos that will be converted into carousel once we upload it into Instagram. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to post pictures of animals. So what we're going to do is to just go here on the elements and then just search for animals right here. Or you can just upload your photos that you want to use by just going here in the upload section and then upload the image that you want to use. But for this example, we're going to use the pictures from the elements in Canva. So just click the photos right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to add this one first. So what we're going to do is to, of course, resize it into whatever we want. So you can do that by doing this. And if you want to add a text, you can just do it by just clicking the texts right here. And then, of course, let's say, for example, that this is a dog. So it's just an example. What we're going to do next is to duplicate this page right here. So just click that and we're going to change the image into chicken. So let's do that right here. So let's do that and adjust this one. And then we're going to change the text in to chicken. And then let's add another one. So let's duplicate this again right here. And let's say, for example, that we want to change it into a cow, which is right here. So let's change this first. And let's resize the image once again right there. Now, let's say, for example, that these are the image that you want to post in your Instagram. So what we're going to do next is to just click the share button and then click the download button right here. So you can do it saving it as a PNG or a JPEG file. So it's up to you. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is to upload it into your Instagram. And once you've added this 3 pictures right here, it will now be automatically converted into a carousel post in Instagram. So that is basically it. That is how to make carousel in Canva.